thanks to everyone for showing up and participating in this contest. I appreciate that. Appreciate all the support and all the comments. And we'll be generating 2 winners here very shortly. I'm just going through the motions here on the website so you can follow along. But yeah, again, thanks again. Always a pleasure. And glad to have you guys around and have these kind of contests as well. Hope everyone's doing okay. Just got done wrapping up some bids. Gonna be doing some new material pretty soon. New faces and whatnot. So stay tuned every Friday and Sunday. So hope you guys can enjoy these videos I'm putting out. If you guys got suggestions, I'm always all ears. So that being said, we'll be plowing forward till we get to the 1,000 mark, which is pretty soon here. So I never thought I'd get here, but then again, it's not as easy as it looks. It takes a lot of work actually. So, but anyway, we got the winner right there. Just Carve Rob. Looks like he won. Congratulations, Rob. You got a new tool in your arsenal now. And got the links copied for everyone if they want to check out the results online. So they'll be in the description of the video. And here we're starting another lucky winner. Mike LaFleur. All right. Congratulations. We'll get this shipped out as soon as possible. So thanks again for participating. And all the best to y'all. Talk to you later. Goodbye.